Hello everyone, this is Tina. Welcome to the Crafty Muffins. So today's video is the first video in the Christmas special series, and this is a DIY Christmas tree made with some old CDs. This is how it looks. This is extremely easy to make and I was really happy with the result. So if you do like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell on. The materials that you require for this project are some old CDs. You might need about 5 to 6 of them. Some thin cardboard, it can be the cardboard from a carton. Some thick cardboard. Craft foam, if you do not have craft foam, you can use paper. Hot glue and some beads or pearls for embellishment. Let's get started with the video. First, you need a bowl of hot water. Put the CDs into this bowl and leave them there for about 2 minutes. This will help soften the CDs so that you can cut them easily. After 2 minutes, remove the CDs from the water and wipe them dry. With a cutter or a craft knife, split the CD and separate it into 2 parts like so. You will only need the part which has the holographic film on it. With a marker and a ruler, divide the CD into 8 equal parts like so. Once done, cut it into 8 parts. Cut all the CDs into 8 equal parts. Cut around 6 CDs. Take a square piece of thin cardboard and roll it into a cone like so. Glue it. This piece measures around 8 inches by 8 inches. Now mark 8 inches all around the cone like so. Then cut it at the 8 inches mark that you made. I also used some sticky tape to secure the cone. Next, I will start gluing the CD pieces to the cone. We need to stick the pieces from the bottom up, so I'm sticking the first layer to the cone like so. For the first layer, the CD pieces will stick out a little more than the cone like so. We'll continue sticking the other pieces at the same level. Please note that I'm overlapping the pieces a little over each other. We'll continue gluing the pieces until the first layer is done. I'm now sticking the last piece of the first layer. For the second layer, I will glue the pieces between 2 pieces of the first layer. I will continue this till the second layer is done. I will continue gluing the pieces till I reach the point of the cone. For the tip of the cone, I'm going to use 3 CD pieces and I cut these into a point like so. Then I glued these 3 pieces to the tip like so. This is how it looks after the entire cone was covered with the CD pieces. For the stars, I cut 2 star shapes from red foam. Then I glued one of the stars to the top like so. Then I glued the second star on the opposite side right on top of the first one like so. Then I covered the star with some glitter. This is an optional step. If you have glitter foam, then you can use it to make the star. Then I took some red pearls and stuck them to the ends of each CD piece like so. This is how it looks after it was completely covered with the pearls. For the base, I cut a cardboard circle and I stuck it to another cardboard circle. If the cardboard that you're using is thick, then you need not follow this step. I covered one of the sides with this purple foam. You can use paper if you don't have foam. The other side I covered with white foam. This is a sort of fuzzy foam, although I'm not sure if that's what it's called. I cut off the excess and this is what I have. Next, measure the thickness of this piece and then cut a green glitter foam piece of the same width and glue it to the piece like so.
Perfect.
Next, I will glue the tree on the piece. Lastly, I made 2 gift boxes with foam and glued it next to the tree like so. Your CD Christmas tree is now ready. I love the way this tree looks. It sort of has this holographic effect. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.